Hey you guys, okay, I had to change my shirt. One, because I remembered I had this shirt, and two, because I got stuff on it. I was making my dinner for the family. So the next thing I wanted to talk about really quick was they announced new kits for people who sign up. And this is super exciting for a couple of reasons. First of all, they've completely simplified it. There's going to be only three kits for people who want to start their own business. The first one I wouldn't even recommend. It's $49, but all it is your website and yeah, I think it's just your website. Maybe Mimi is included in it. I don't know. That's the app for your phone, which I love. So if you decide to do this as a business, I highly recommend investing in getting Mimi. I think it's $99 for the year or something, or you can pay monthly. But there's a lot of great benefits to it, and I would share that too if you're interested. So that's the $49 kit. It's just the online technology. They now have a $99 kit, and the $99 kit, I think, is awesome. It comes with the new Pretty Young Trio regimen, and let me look. Oh, and a out the door palette, a flash, and a mascara, and then catalogs and stuff, along with all of the website and online technology. I think this is great. I think it's a great price point for someone to get in. I think it's a great opportunity for them to start using the product. They get a little bit of the color, a little bit of the makeup. They get to see how the regimen works. It's not the Pure Results regimen, but I think it's a good regimen for someone to get started if they're brand new and they're just looking at starting with Ever. So I really think a $99 price point is a really great gateway for so many people. And that's what I found. The biggest objection I've found for people is that they can't afford it at that moment, whatever it is. The kits the way they had them. So, and the other thing that I found as a drawback was it wasn't customizable. These new kits are customizable. So that means that you can pick your flash color. You can pick which out the door palette you want. Then the next kit up is a $2.99 kit, and it comes with a Pure Results regimen, again customizable, so you can choose your daylight color, you can choose oil-free Hydrolift or regular Hydrolift, you can choose luminous or rebalance for your cleanser. It also comes with a Pretty Young Trio regimen, so both of the regimens. And then I'm just taking a peek. That kit comes with an out the door palette, the flash, the whiplash, and the brushes, as well as the online technology and the new catalogs and pamphlets and stuff that we have, all the business tools. I think that $2.99 kit is awesome. I think it'll get people who are really interested in makeup as well as skincare. I think it's a good all-around representation of the product line. I just think it's awesome. So I feel like the kits right now that they're offering are a great price point and the best of what we offer. So I just feel like if you're reaching out to friends that you think might be interested, you have something really great to offer. So that was newly announced, the customizable part and the new kits. Those were announced at Beauty Summit, as well as the Fast Start. And there were also some suggestions and tips for approaching people. And I can go into that more later. But you will see on your website, if you have a website, or you can go to my website and you can see all the new kits for joining. They're already up. They're already ready to go. So also the Pretty Young Trio launches tomorrow, but it's in the back office for you now if you wanted to order it. And like I said, the mauve, I think it's called Glam Forever lip tint or lip color, is also available in your back office if you're interested in ordering it. So those are kind of the highlights. There was a lot of great business information. Let me just look and see if there's anything else. Yeah, there was events. That's the other thing I wanted to talk about. So, if you decide to do the Fast Start relaunch, I highly recommend you get in front of people. Like, that's the main way to do it. So, some ideas, like they talk about having 2 events a month, but really an event could be coffee with a friend. An event could be bringing your Pure Results regimen to work with you and just having it in the lunchroom or talking to people about it. It could be sending a friend home with some samples of the Pure Results regimen and talking to them. It can be as big or as little. It can be inviting friends over for a glass of wine on, Friday afternoon, like a happy hour time, and sharing your product with them and just getting the word out. You guys all have a great story to tell because you all have been using the product already. So your phase, your results, they are the best way to communicate the power of the products that you love. So I feel like there's such an opportunity for you guys because you have the experience, you have the results. Okay? The other thing I wanted you to know is you are part of a very strong, very knowledgeable team. When I was at Beauty Summit, I went to lunch, and I think there were 12 or 15 gals at lunch, and half of them, literally half of the amount, were physicians. We had emergency room doctors, OBGYNs, pediatricians, all different kinds of doctors, all women doctors. And I feel like that is such an endorsement for the brand because those doctors, they like to look at clinical data, and they do. They understand ingredients. They understand why clean beauty is so important to our overall health and well-being. And they're particular about the results that they're getting. They're clinical about their results. So I feel like that is such an endorsement for what we're doing right now, and I'm so super duper excited to be aligned with Ever. So lots more, but that's all I want to do tonight, just kind of as a recap. If you have questions, please let me know. I'm here for you always. I don't reach out much, like I said, because I just want to respect how you want to run your business. But I am here if you want to do a coaching call, if you want me to support you on helping you do some Facebook Lives or getting a Facebook group started or whatever is your desire. I'm here to help you, and I would love to help you. Okay? So have a great evening, and we'll talk to you soon.